Namaskar, I am Dr. Hema Divakar, the national convener for a great initiative called the Nari Swasthya Pahal, which is launched by our present president, Dr. Rishma Pai, ably supported by Dr. Rishikesh Pai, who is the Secretary General of FOXI. The theme for this year is She Matters. Care for her, educate her and transform her. The theme for the International Women's Day, which is on 8th March, is Be Bold for Change. And indeed, we are all getting set to be bold for the change, not only for India, but the women and girls in India. Also, 10th March happens to be the GDM Awareness Day, the gestational diabetes, and we call the program the Pehla Kadam, or Take the First Step. Not only with respect to not allowing India to become the diabetic capital, we are taking the Pehla Kadam for Nari Swasthya Pahal, which means that in an integrated way, A for anemia hatao and adolescent care, B for building contraceptive choices and being bold, C for cancer cervix, kill it before it kills you, D, defeat diabetes and don't let India be the diabetic capital, and E is educate her, empower her and make her self-sufficient to take care of her own reproductive rights and make her own decisions in life. So that in essence is the vision of all the women health caretakers in the country, and we urge each and every one of you to support this program in every which way that you can, creating awareness, supporting us in the health camps that we conduct, and also at the last we are also aiming to build a capacity of many healthcare providers, many gynecologists, healthcare educators, the lay public and everybody. Each one teach one is the vision, and Vision 2022. By the time the leaders in FOXI ascend the ladder, it's our fond hope that Dr. Rishikesh Pai will be the president of our federation very soon, and maybe wish him great luck in marching towards tomorrow with Nari Swasthya Pahal, with the mantra of preventing illness and promoting wellness and making India the best place for the women to be. With that, we sign off at the walkathon on the 5th of March 2017, titled the Nari Swasthya Pahal, with the mantra of She Matters, Care, Educate and Transform. This is Dr. Hema Divakar from the Garden City of Bengaluru, which has been the Pehla Kadam in the true sense, because this is first of the flagship programs of the Federation, which is flagged off from this beautiful city with the support of all the Bengaluru OBGYNs from the Bangalore Obstetrics and Gynecological Society. Namaskar.
Hello, I am Dr. Rishikesh Pai, Secretary General of the FOXI, the Federation of Gynec Societies of India, and we with our President Dr. Rishma Pai and with input with Dr. Hema Divakar, who is our convener, we have launched the Nari Swasthya Pahal, that is a women's health initiative, which is a health initiative which is launched to see that we reached our vision 2022, which was declared by Dr. Hema Divakar during her presidency, and we want all women to have full health care, and the whole concept of this program is to have camps all over the country, and the federation has been giving seed money to have these camps, and there we will be making the people aware of all the women empowerment problems that the women face and how we can tackle these problems. And we'll also be examining the women free of charge and also doing their hemoglobin and blood sugar in the camps, and then we'll be documenting, and whatever problems we face during the camp we can refer these patients to the government hospitals, or even in a private setting we will do them at nearly 50% discount. That is the whole concept of the Nari Swasthya Pahal. The Nari Swasthya Pahal program is initiated by our President Dr. Rishma Pai, and it is a Federation of Gynec Society of India FOXI project, and in association with the Indian Medical Association, the IMA, and also we hope that the government will be supportive in this program which we have launched for the next many years to come.
ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೀಲಾ ಅಂತ, ನಾನು ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ OBGYN ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ದಿವಸ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾಕ್ಸಿ ಫೆಡರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈನಕಾಲಜಿ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ OBG BSOG ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ.
ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಿಕಾ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನಂದರೆ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟೆಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈನಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅದರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾವು. ಮತ್ತು ಫಾಕ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಫೆಡರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈನಕಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.